Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative Request Not 7. So today in this video we are going to make this awesome solar tracker. So watch this video fully and subscribe to my channel if you didn't before. This is Creative Request Not 7 and I am Akashiva. So the material required are LDR, light dependent resistor, 4 pieces, and the second components required are resistor of 100 ohms, the same 4 pieces. So and the important component is a microcontroller, that is nothing but an Arduino UNO, and you also require a piece of cardboard and few jumper wires. Make holes as I made this and take a same piece like that, so it will be easy for you. So let's get into the video of making it. So and you also require 2 servo motors. So let's get into the video of making. First insert the light dependent resistor into the holes which we made earlier. Just insert the 4 LEDs in the 4 positions as I have given. Second, third and finally the fourth one is completed now. Now just turn it. Fold each leg of one leg of each LDR sensor. There is no polarity, so you can choose anyone, either left or right. Now we are going to solder or connect all the legs that are folded. Yes, it's completed now. Now with the other leg we are going to connect a 100 ohm resistor. Just take an ohm resistor and solder in the same way as I have shown. I didn't show soldering because it's a long process and make our video lengthy one. So I have soldered it. Just repeat it for all the LDR. So it's completed. Now we are going to join all the legs of the resistor together. Yes, just apply a solder paste on it and solder it. So it's completed now. The junction of the resistors act as a negative terminal and this point act as a positive terminal. So we are going to join a wire on it. Take 6 wire and join in the leg of a LDR which we connected the resistor. Just I will show you how it. Yes, the same way if you do, you can do. I have to do. Just connect 4 wires as I have shown. Once it's completed, now it's time for us to join the positive and negative terminal. So it's completed now. Before going to it, we have to join the header pins to it so that we can directly insert it to the Arduino UNO. Just connect all the pins and use a heatsink tube and fix it strongly. So it's completed now. So now it's time for soldering the positive and negative terminals. Just take 2 wires and connect it to the positive and negative. The positive is green wire and the negative is violet color wire. The junction of the resistors act as a ground, which I have already told you. So now just solder the female header pins so that it will make our work easier while connecting it to Arduino. So just solder it. It's completed. So it's completed and tightly held with a heatsink tube. So it's completed. Now we are going to separate each LDR with a cardboard piece. Just paste in the same way as I have done. It's completed now. So the light falling in the one direction will not flow on the other direction. I mean the light falling on first LDR will not fall on second LDR. Just take a piece of PCB board and insert the male header pins in the same way as I am done. This is to simplify our circuit because sometimes taking a wire from the board to Arduino makes it complicated. You will feel that it's a easier one once it's completed. Just solder it the same way. These pins are soldered together and the last two pins are connected in the horizontal direction. So if we insert the pins of the servo motor, the one pin will be left, so that from that pin we can take out the signals or we can give commands to the servo motor. While the end we will understand why I have done this. So the next part is making a stand. So take a cardboard or even a piece of wood and paste the servo motor on it. Just remember we require two servo motor, one we have to use it for horizontal direction and other for vertical controlation. Just paste it and allow it to settle. Take another servo motor and paste two pieces of cardboard in the same way as I have done, so that we can place a solar panel on the top of it, top of the or on the other edge of a cardboard. So take a solar panel. I have taken this 5-volt solar panel. So just paste it in the same way as I have shown. So once, let's keep it aside and take another piece of a PVC board and make a hole like this and insert the knob of the servo motor. So just apply a glue and insert it so that it will be fixed tightly. Just insert it and allow it to settle. Once it's settled, make a bend like this or take a piece out from this same as I have done and just insert this piece into that hole. And now we have to give some time for it to settle. Yes, you can see. So let it be settled down. So it's now fixed tightly. And insert another knob of the another servo motor in that position and fix it with a glue. Yes, it's perfectly fitting. So just now take a piece of cardboard like this and paste it. Now on this we have to place the PCB board. So place this PCB board over it and stick it with the glue. Yes, it's fixed tightly. So now we are going to place the sensor over it, the sensor which we manually made. Just apply a little glue and paste it over. You can even use it on the vertical direction or even horizontal direction. So once it's tightly fixed, let's get into the next part, that's assembling the components. Just assemble it. Yes, it's now completed, and place the another servo motor in the knob. Yes, our work is almost completed. So now just insert its top view. So just insert the wires into the header pins. Yes, in the same way insert. Now you can see how beautiful it is by inserting the header pin. It will reduce the mess that we make in the wire so that there will not be any problem. Just connect it, the positive wire to the positive and negative to the negative. So take another two jumper wires and connect it. These are signals that are going to transmit from the Arduino to the servo motor. So just use this pin number 9 and pin number 10, and the Output from the sensors are used in A0, A1, A2 and A3 pins, and the 5 volt is connected to 5 volt and ground pin is connected to the ground. Now it's time for us to upload the Arduino code. I have something wrong. Yes, just yes, it's now right. So now let us upload the Arduino code into Arduino. I have given the code in the description. You can download it for free and enjoy your own solar tracker. So if you have any doubts, just comment it down. I will help you as soon as possible. So it's now testing. You can look at this. The solar is being tracked. Just see. The solar panel moves as in the direction the light that falls on the sensor. So we have completed. Just subscribe to our channel if you like this video, and we will upload more content. Basically, when there is no light, the solar tracker automatically points top because it's due to my room light. It it is awesome. So I will upload more interesting projects. Just subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. This is Creative Crackers 7 and I am Akashiva. Signing off. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Stay creative.